Hi everybody, today I just want to show you with the day number 7 of my starting HTML code. How to create the web page with HTML. And we start from the number 6 and now it's number 7. This is the old page, just only add more code how to make, how to know, how to understand with the code of HTML. What the page show. And here this is I just only add more from the day number 6 code, and this is just only put page go to take the inframe.html from the page folder. Just set Alibaba the same, and what the iframe.html have here. This is the code out that I want to show you. It's an inframe SOC, and this is the link of the web page, and I directly put the size of our page, the height and the width of our page, and the style border. You can put style border 1, 2, up to you, but for me I put 0. I don't want to show it like the big border. And we close frame back and we save it to the same folder of here of in the page. We easy go to look and take it from here, from this frame. And one more is about YouTube video. You see, I put the code of you. I create YouTube.html1 here. Look it here. This is YouTube.html1. Here in frame, where this is my YouTube channel that I put. This is the code of this, and here the same before, just only we put YouTube video link and we goes to test it. Here when I click the YouTube, I'm gonna show this. When you have internet, it show you here like this here. And you can go play, and it's very easy for you to put. This is just show you want to implement to link to another web page and to take the video from another web page. If you have another video from YouTube, anything from another website, you can go click and copy the link from them and put in our frame. This is our frame code. Now, thank you for everybody. The day number 7 just only have this code. Just explain you how to links to another web page and how to link with to another video. This is the frame code, and we sell it. And okay, thank you, bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe below. We're gonna get more code of HTML lesson and what the page show, what the interesting with the HTML code. Bye bye, see you.